Hello students, how are you? So in this video we are going to learn about the integers. What exactly the integers? So integers are negative numbers, then 0 and all the positive numbers. All the numbers we can show on number lines. Okay, so previously 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these are the natural numbers, and when we are adding the 0 whole numbers, now we are adding the negative numbers, so minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity, and here also 5, so infinity. So up to here or infinity are the natural numbers. If we add 0, then from the 0, 1, 2, 3, all the positive numbers, we are seeing it's a whole numbers, and when we add all the negative numbers with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on a number line, so completely set of these numbers are called integers. Hope you understand the integers. So we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction also. So negative, and here the right side is the positive. Okay, when we are adding any numbers in, maybe negative or it may be in positive, we are going to the right side. So this is the addition. When we are going to subtract any number from the any integers, then we have to go from right to the left. Okay, it may be negative. Suppose minus 2, then we are subtracting minus 3. Suppose minus 2 minus 3 means 1, then 2, then 3, then minus 5, number will comes. Means for the subtraction we have to count the numbers from right to the left, and for addition from left to the right. From left to right, this is the addition and this is a subtraction. Okay, so this is the addition and subtraction. So representation also we covered here. So on a number line, negative, then 0 and all the positive number we can show on a number line. So if we add any number with a 1, suppose there is a 3 positive, okay, if we add 1, then the answer will comes the 4, means the 4 is the successor of the 3. If you subtract 1 from any number, suppose same example we will take plus 3, so minus 1, so this will be the 2, so this is the predecessor. Okay, so for this negative numbers also, minus 3, for this one successor is the minus 2 and predecessor is the minus 4. Don't make confused about this value of the number, because of the sign and the position of the number line, the value of particularly that number, the position getting changed. Okay, I am again repeating, for the plus 3 the successor will be the 4, and for plus 3 the predecessor is a 2, but for negative 3 successor will be the minus 2 and the predecessor will be the minus 4. Okay, so additive and the inverse. So if we are adding any number which is inverse, suppose 7 number is there, so it's a inverse is the minus 7. So if we are adding here, so 7 plus minus 7 means 7 minus 0, the answer will be the 0. If suppose minus 7 and if we are subtracting, it's a inverse means plus 7, so minus 7 minus 7, it will comes the minus 14. Okay, so this is the additive inverse. The answer will not be the same depending on your signing, means the first position and the next position, due to the plus and the negative, the signing getting changed. So that will be the additive inverse. Now exactly about the comparisons. So about the comparison, the number positive, suppose 6 and the plus 9, here the bigger number is the 9 than the 6, so the 9 is the greater than 6. But suppose minus 6 and minus 9, the minus 6 will be the greater than minus 9. See the number, if are the positive sign, the bigger digit is the number greater than the other number. Smaller digit with a negative sign, the number is a greater. Because on a number line, if you see here minus from the infinity toward the 0, or once you comes from the infinity toward the 0 on a negative, only negative, the value of the number is getting increasing. Here infinity 0, here 0, and here infinity plus. So once we travel from infinity toward the 0 and then positive, the number getting greater, always greater. Okay. So as we travel from here to here, infinity means infinite numbers. We don't know. So means it may be 1 lakh, it may be 2 lakh, minus 1, or it may be minus 1 crore or something. And here the positive, it may be lakh, crore or something. So on any number, if that is a negative, and it compare with the its right side of the any number, then the left side of the number is smaller than the right side. This is the criteria. Please understand this one. Now multiplication of integers. This is very important. Two positive integers, if we have multiple, means suppose positive multiplication by positive, the answer will be the positive. Now we will directly jump here. Negative multiplied by negative, the answer will be the positive. And once the positive multiplied by negative or negative multiplied by positive, the answer will be negative. So these four rules please understand. And for on the same these three, fourth also there. If more than 2, suppose minus any number multiplied by minus means negative multiplied by any negative number, then this will be becomes positive, and then negative means positive multiplied by negative, then answer will be the negative. Okay. So same that one, if suppose any positive multiplied by positive, answer will be the positive. Or if all are the negative, and so then the two are the positive here, and then once the multiple with that negative answer with any negative number, then answer will be the also negative. Same about the division number also. So if we are divided negative by any negative, the answer will be the positive. If we divide any positive by the negative, or any negative divided by positive, the answer will be negative. And if we divided by positive, the answer will be the positive. So this is about the division integers also. The same whatever the as per the multiplication of the integers. Thank you.